Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 the Ford F150. Stock number is 7211. Let's take a look at this vehicle on the exterior and the interior. This vehicle is equipped with a 5.0 liter V8 motor. It's got the XTR package, of course. Taking a look at the exterior and the passenger side. Gonna make our way to the rear, driver's side, and then the interior. This truck has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed. Find out more about warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at no cost to you. Ample room in the rear, maybe traveling with friends, family, or maybe just need to store some things as you travel. You're going to have absolutely no problem. Easy access to all your controls within arm's length, and she is a super clean truck with low miles. Do me a favor, for more information, call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down and see the inventory yourself. Hopefully we can earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day.